Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
When you receive the reviewer's copies of the shared PDF sent for an email review, you can double-click the attachments within the received emails to open the PDF that contains the reviewer's markups. Acrobat then displays the Merge Comments message box. This lets you know that this is a copy of the PDF that is tracked for review and that it may contain markups and comments. It then asks if you would like to open the tracked PDF and merge any comments and markups from the attached PDF into the original PDF. To merge the comments and markups into the original PDF, click the Yes button. To only open the copy so you can review the comments and markups prior to merging, click the No Open This Copy Only button. You can then review the comments and markups received from this reviewer in Adobe Acrobat. When you are satisfied with the comments and markups after reviewing them, you can then click the Merge Comments button in the yellow message bar at the top of the PDF window to merge the comments into the original tracked PDF file. Acrobat will then open the original PDF and merge the comments from the copy into it. After completing the merge, Acrobat will inform you of that fact in a message box. Click OK to close the message box. You can see the merged comments appear in the Comments List panel in the Comment pane in the Task pane. You can then save and close the original PDF file in Acrobat. When working with a PDF using the Shared Document Review feature, you simply click the Check for New Comments button in the yellow taskbar at the top of the Shared Documents PDF window to check for newly published comments within the shared document. Acrobat will display a summary pop-up of any comments that were added or removed to the document, and the comments will automatically appear in the PDF. After the review has ended, you may want to save an archive copy of the file. To do this, you can click the Save and Archive Copy button that appears in the yellow taskbar at the top of the PDF file only after the review has ended to open a Save and Work Offline dialog box. You can use this dialog box to select the location to which you want to save the file. The file name will default to the original file name with _archive added to the end of it. You can then click the Save button in the dialog box to save the archive copy. This copy will contain all of the comments in the file as of the time the archive copy was created. Note that you can also save an archive copy at any time during the review process if needed by clicking the Server Status button in the yellow taskbar at the top of the PDF window, and then choosing the Save as Archive Copy command from the drop-down menu that appears.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.